Commentary break me ikatanat ka kot kakya jong sarkar jalla ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo kala pentip bakampat dan setia kunu-kunu Jingïakren bantai ka Medical College Harilum Jaiñtia. Haba jubab ha kenta kali jingkli ha kasingi baar jong dorbar mangtingka ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jalla ya ka jingkli na nong thawan ka UDP na muka yaw constituency uba New Yorki sungo ka Dr. Amprin kala kadaw bale se ha ka wai kasingi la ban yoi ya ka Medical College ha jowai. Nakaliang ubat New Yorki sungo ula kerpat ru ika sarkar bakan munjur ban bo ika Primary Health Center hapsiar kabadan hak haput ka asam namar ka snong kala dap ban ais ngoba du sau ekar ka jaka na kabenta kan ika kam. Halor kene ka menteri kala kular baka sarkar kan sasyim ya kene ka jingterwa.
Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, reply to question number 5, sir. No, sir, the department has been improving the sources at district hospitals to provide all essential medical services at the district level.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister, since the answer to my question is no. May I know, sir, what is the reason? Because as we all know that the health infrastructure in Jaiñtia Hills is very poor, so may I know, sir, from the Honourable Minister, what is the reason?
Sir, the establishment of a medical college as per the regulations of August 2023, sir, specifies that for a medical college with an intake of 50 MBBS seats, there should be a minimum of 220 hospital beds for the establishment of a medical college. So as per this stringent norm, likely, sir, at the moment, this cannot be done at Jaiñtia Hills. However, sir, things may open up in the future, but as of today, sir, we are looking at that.
One more question, sir. Whether the Minister will agree, sir, that the health infrastructure in Jaiñtia Hills is in a very pathetic shape, sir?
I would disagree, sir.
Any further question? I beg to differ, sir, because being from Jaiñtia Hills, I've seen the present health infrastructure, sir. Most of the people, especially from the border area, they have to migrate all the way from Block 1 till Jowai, which is around 50 to 60 kilometers away. So even the present PHC, CHC that was there in different part of the district also is in a very poor condition. The medical equipment is not there. So,
what is your question?
I beg to disagree, sir, with what the Minister has replied. So, I would like to urge upon the Minister, sir, to kindly look into the matter and check, sir, whether her reply is right or wrong. At least come and visit the different PHCs, CHCs.
Minister.
Honourable Deputy Speaker, sir, I understand the concerns of the Honourable Member. Correct also for him to have this imagination. But let me just share with this August House today. So Jowai Civil Hospital alone averages about 4,900 OPDs per month. So MCH Hospital averages about 2,200 OPDs per month. IPDs are in Jowai Civil Hospital 900 and MCH 1,200 per month. We understand, sir, that there are these concerns. I have a list of exactly how many doctors are also engaged in all of these institutions of the government. I understand that we do need to put pressure to ensure we deliver. And honourable members should also be aware, sir, I have gone to so many hospitals in the hills alone. So it is incorrect to have that feeling. But yes, we need to pull our socks up. We are on the job. And we will do it, sir, in the coming months and years. Sir, our situation of the most critical situation of maternity care has improved substantially, sir, after the Safe Motherhood scheme of the Honourable Chief Minister. Institutional deliveries are improving. facilities for pediatric and newborns is far increasing. We are pursuing matters of the 1,000 targets to ensure that every newborn up to 1,000 days gets the best of facilities. We have a lot of facilities in Jaiñtia Hills in total, sir. So I think that there is this aspiration. There is no harm, sir, to have an aspiration. And I can assure the honourable member and this August House, sir, that very shortly we are also now putting in advanced radiology services in Civil Hospital, Jowai. We will work hard, sir, and one day I hope that we will also see a medical college in Jowai or Jaiñtia Hills, but I cannot make that commitment because it's a huge commitment. So many criteria are there. If honourable member asks me specific questions, I will reply accordingly, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Sir, I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for the extensive reply. And I'm not saying that the government is not doing anything, sir. We are a part of government, and I've seen, sir, that the government is doing whatever possible from their side. But the thing is that only Jowai, I think it's not sufficient, sir. My request is only to the Minister to kindly look into the different PHC, CHC, which is there in different part of Jaiñtia Hills. And moreover, sir, there's also a need to create a new sub-center, a new PHC and a new CHC in different part of Jaiñtia Hills. So that's why, sir, I would like to get an assurance from the Minister, sir. Will she kindly consider that if there is such a proposal to set up a PHC or a CHC, and like I've mentioned earlier, the Psiar PHC, which I've raised before, sir. So may I get an assurance, sir, from the Honourable Minister whether she will kindly consider this proposal for setting up a PHC at Psiar, sir.
So the application has come to the department through proper channels, sir. Honourable MLA, I must commit here, is very diligent. He's working hard on this matter. We are now studying, evaluating. Certain norms are there, sir. So we will try to see whether Psiar will be eligible for this upgradation. And like I said, sir, we need to ensure when we do upgrade PHCs to the CHCs, firstly we must make sure, sir, that we first make necessary sanction on HR. So many of the buildings that I have gone to, sir, are there, but no HR. So I would like to correct this, take corrective measures. And just recently, sir, let me assure the Honourable Member and the House, we've had a very lengthy discussion with the Honourable Chief Minister, along with the Personnel and the Finance Department. We are working on sanctioning of all posts in at least buildings which are now already raised. I assure the Honourable Member, as far as Psiar is concerned, we will attend, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, just one more, sir. Just for the Honourable Minister to know, sir, with regard to the land, there's no issue in Psiar, because personally I've been there and I've inspected the land, and the land which is donated by the villagers, it is more than 4 acres, sir. Just for the information.